one night at the luau, um, after the show, I was kind of hanging out in the backstage, and I walked off before Uncle Falmao did, and he stayed on, and there's probably like four other musicians, and I hear him turn around to those musicians, and he goes, "I, I'm sorry. I apologize for my nephew. He doesn't know how to sing. He doesn't know how to play guitar, but thank you for being patient. I'm going to teach him." So I was in the back like, whoa,
Wow.
and that shook me. Dude. That here I am thinking like he called me to go over there. Like hell no. He brought me over there to save my life, to get me out of what I was doing here on Oahu. And he cared enough to like pour himself into me and teach me how to be a working musician. So so that the next day he was like, "Hey, go out. Let's go to the show." I'm like, "No, Uncle, I'm gonna stay home." He said, "Oh, you sure?" Like, yeah. So every time he would leave, I'd set up my music book in the garage and I'd grab my guitar and freaking jam, dude. I'll play the guitar, practice every song. I started learning Hawaiian songs for the luau. I'm like learning how to pick. I'm playing the radio, like listening to tapes and recordings. Like hammered this for like 2 weeks straight until I could finally make him proud. And so I was so embarrassed that that's what made me actually look back and be like, oh no,